Hi, welcome to my friend AI. To get all facts and information, do subscribe and share. So today we are going to talk about the latest iPhone 16. The iPhone 16 has rolled out a plethora of remarkable and innovative features that truly elevate the user experience. Here are 20 standout attributes that set this device apart. 1. Periscope Zoom Camera Asterisk. This cutting-edge camera technology offers enhanced optical zoom capabilities, allowing users to capture stunning close-up images with incredible detail. 2. Under-display Face ID Asterisk. The revolutionary Face ID technology is now seamlessly integrated beneath the display, providing an uninterrupted aesthetic while maintaining robust security. 3. Always-on Display Asterisk. A customizable always-on display feature showcases notifications and widgets, ensuring that essential information is always at your fingertips without draining the battery excessively. 4. Dynamic Island 2.0 Asterisk. The updated Dynamic Island enhances multitasking capabilities, providing improved notification management and a more interactive interface. 5. Satellite Communication Asterisk. This expanded satellite connectivity feature allows users to send emergency messages even in areas without cellular service, enhancing safety and communication reliability. 6. Advanced LiDAR Technology Asterisk. The enhanced LiDAR system significantly improves augmented reality experiences in photography, providing more accurate depth perception and spatial awareness. 7. Promotion Display Asterisk. With a 120Hz refresh rate available across all models, users can enjoy an exceptionally smooth scrolling experience, making interactions feel more fluid. 8. MagSafe 2.0 Asterisk. The latest iteration of MagSafe technology ensures better compatibility with accessories, enhancing convenience and usability. 9. AI-powered photography Asterisk. Advanced artificial intelligence capabilities assist in photo editing, enabling users to achieve picture-perfect results with minimal effort. 10. Improved battery life Asterisk. The iPhone 16 boasts optimized battery management, allowing for extended usage times without frequent recharging. 11. Durable Ceramic Shield Asterisk. Featuring an advanced ceramic shield, this device offers superior durability and protection against drops and scratches, ensuring longevity. 12. Eco-friendly materials Asterisk. The construction includes a higher percentage of recycled materials, reflecting a commitment to sustainability and reducing environmental impact. 13. Customizable Control Center Asterisk. Users can now enjoy a more personalized quick access feature, allowing them to tailor the control center to suit their preferences. 14. Haptic Touch Feedback Asterisk. Enhanced haptic feedback technology provides a more responsive and tactile interaction, enriching the overall user experience. 15. Enhanced Privacy Features Asterisk. The iPhone 16 introduces new privacy settings and tools, empowering users to manage their data security more effectively. 16. Multi-device Connectivity Asterisk. This feature allows seamless connection with multiple Apple devices, facilitating effortless file sharing and collaboration. 17. Voice Control Enhancements Asterisk. Improved voice recognition capabilities ensure a more accurate and efficient hands-free operation, making it easier to interact with the device. 18. Smart Home Integration Asterisk. Expanded integration features allow users to control their smart home devices directly from their phone, streamlining home automation. 19. Gaming Enhancements Asterisk. The iPhone 16 incorporates advanced features tailored for mobile gaming, providing a more immersive and enjoyable gaming experience. 20. Color Customization Options Asterisk. A wider array of color choices and customization options allows users to express their personal style and preferences more vividly. These groundbreaking features collectively make the iPhone 16 an exceptional device, setting a new standard in the smartphone landscape.